It's your lucky day because we get to manifest fast today. In today's video, I will break down 3 super quick manifestation techniques that you can implement right now. We'll even do some exercises and you will see your life transform. These techniques combine the latest in neuroscience as well as age-old wisdom to really supercharge your results. So sit back and get ready for takeoff, baby. I'm Garrett Paknis, founder of Creative Life School. We hit 100,000 followers between Instagram and TikTok recently. So like and subscribe if this is your kind of vibe, because we are here to become the best level version of ourselves. And right before we get into the 3 techniques, I want to say that the most important thing about manifestation is being your authentic self, being your true self, letting go of any parts of you that wears masks or works for things from your ego or desires things from your ego. We do things from a soulful place. We do things from a heart-connected place around here. I encourage you to be the most honest version of yourself, not chasing toxic people, toxic relationships, cash just for the sake of cash. We are here for the collective rising. So I want to say that if you really want to manifest the most at quantum speed, then you're going to want to get in touch with your truth, your authenticity, and to let go of any shadow parts of you or any mask that you wear that's keeping you from being that authentic self. Now that we covered that, let's get into the technique. Number 1 is the clarity countdown. Without clarity, you don't have a map to manifestation because you don't know where you're going to get to go. And the universe loves details. It loves specificity. And it's important for you to show up in your day-to-day creating actions and doing actions that get you closer to your specific goals. So the more tangible your result is, like a $15,000 month or a $50,000 month, the more you know how to show up every single day in order to get to that goal. Because if you just want abundance and happiness, but you don't know where it's going to come from, and you're not building streams for passive income, or you're not doing anything that actually gets you to the abundance goal, well, your life's not going to change. You need to get specific. You need to get to know yourself. And that's what it comes down to, being authentic. Because if you're in touch with your soul, if you're in touch with your mission, if you're in touch with your power, then you will know what you desire. You will know the next stage of your life. And I know that maybe some of you aren't in that stage of your life, but do some deeper digging to find out what matters to you, what you're trying to create in your life. Get to know your value, because your values dictate how you show up and spend your energy day to day. So let's do this exercise to get more clarity. And you can also be thinking about your values, but take 3 minutes right now to write down what you want to manifest and be specific in detail. The pressure of this 3-minute countdown makes your brain focus, which is really important because too many of us are doing things like doom scrolling and wasting our time and energy when we need our brain to work with us. And by forcing your focus, you actually work the frontal cortex of your brain, which speeds up your manifestation power. It's like telling your brain, hey, this is a priority, so let's focus on this. And then when you focus and have that intention, you will start to see opportunities present them to you in real life and in real time. So get clear, get specific, get to know your values, get to know who you are. And if you're having a trouble with that and you want to do some shadow work or inner healing, then you can join Wealthy Creators Club, which has all my manifestation programs, Money Manifestation Masterclass, and the students in there are having breakthrough after breakthrough in their finances, in their coaching industry, in their art career. So you can check that down below, but let's move on to number 2, which is the visualization flash. Visualizing is so powerful because it can connect us to the feeling of already embodying everything we desire. This isn't your average daydream. The visualization flash is a 60-second focused, intense, kind of like that 3-minute exercise, time for you to really tap into the driver's seat of creating your own reality. Close your eyes and for a full minute, live out your success. Feel it, see it, experience it all with your senses. tap into that frequency, my friends. This technique uses your brain's limbic system to really have strong emotional responses, which embeds your desires deep into your subconscious, which will speed up the manifestation process because your subconscious mind cannot tell reality from what you are programming it with than your actual life. So if you start programming your subconscious mind with the feelings of having that dream car or that dream job or that dream house or that dream partner and feeling all those things, then it's going to create circumstances in your life where you're going to be in that feeling more often. And to tell you the truth, all manifestation is really a feeling, because a lot of people think that they want $1 million, right? But it's really the feeling that $1 million gives them. So if you can ask yourself, how would I feel if I had $1 million right now in my bank account? And let's say you would feel powerful, you would feel sexy, you would feel confident, you would feel magnificent. Well, what do you need to do to feel all those things today? Do you need to change your diet? Do you need to change your workout routine? Do you need to do a little more self-care? Give yourself at-home facials, or go get one, or get a massage, or do something kind for yourself so you start feeling that sexy, rich energy of yourself already. That's how you collapse time. And remember, we are all chasing feelings in this world. It's never about some physical thing, because a physical thing cannot fulfill us from the inside, but we can enjoy those physical things and this 3D reality when we come from a place of empowerment already, confidence, growth. So remember that, my friends, it's all about a feeling that we are creating, and try to create yourself to have those feelings every day, and you will see your reality shape around you, because the better you feel, the better your reality expands. The higher your vibration goes, you are quantum manifesting. And then number 3 really explains that. It's like when you can do that everyday work, and it's the gratitude burst. It's knowing how freaking lucky we are to be on this journey, and for having grace and pride for ourselves for how far we've already gotten. What really is tripping too many people up, which not enough people talk about, is that they can't actually give themselves some credit. A lot of people can't give themselves credit, so they move through life trying to chase the next manifestation and the next manifestation and the next manifestation without ever really loving who they are or what they have. And if you cannot love who you are or what you have, no matter what comes into your reality, you will not appreciate it. You'll be over it. It will be like fun for a day or two, and then it'll wear off. But we want fulfillment. We want to find fulfillment. So please practice that gratitude. Ask yourself what you can be grateful for. Maybe life is hard right now, but there's some silver lining going on in your life right now that you can be grateful for. So make a list of 10 things that you're grateful for. Do it as fast as possible. This gratitude burst not only uplifts your mood, but it actually upgrades your brain's frequency to tap into that abundance so that you can manifest all that you want. It's like priming your brain to say, more of this, please. So what do you want more of? What are you grateful for? Write it down, 10 things, go. So I hope that these manifestation techniques have served you, my friends. Remember that it is all about your vibration. It's about how authentic you are. It is about your unique identity in this world. And the more you embrace yourself, the more you embrace your creativity, the more you embrace your service-oriented ways and ask, how can I help people? You will see your life transforming, and you will see your manifestations become your reality. So let me know down below what the biggest takeaway of this video was for you, and come on and like and subscribe to join the fam. It fuels the mission forward, my friends, and allows me to come at you with more and more Godspeed. So let's fuel our lives up. I'm Garrett Paknis, founder of Creative Life School, and if you want to do this work on a deeper level, join Wealthy Creators Club down below. I love you. I'm rooting for you. Onwards and upwards. Mwah.